This is Joshua at the Math and Statistics Support Center, located on the ninth floor, room 925 North. We're given the question, let the function f of x be equal to 3x plus 6. Write f sub upper script negative 1x, which we read as the inverse of x. Now, we're just saying that we should write everything in terms of finding what this given. Let's isolate this x on one side of the equation, right? Another way to look at it is if we have two functions, and this is where we get all our y's from, and we take all our x's from, and this f maps any x to some y, to some groups of y here. We're saying if we're given some y in here, how can we map to this x, which is our inverse? That's the way to look at an inverse function. To look at the inverse function. So to do the arithmetic, to do the algebraic breakdown of it, we start by saying y, which is the same thing as f of x, equals to 3x 3x minus 6. Plus 6. First thing you do is you exchange all y's for x's. So you now say this is x and this is y, since we are looking for this particular piece. Now we can move our 6 by taking away 6 on both sides, which gives us 3y is equal to x minus 6. For more conventional purposes, since it's an equation, we can write it as 3y equals to x minus 6, since we're almost always all used to writing it that way. Now we can further isolate y by dividing both sides by its coefficient 3. And when this cancels, we get y is equal to x minus 6 divided by 3. And there we have it. We have the inverse of x. I mean, the inverse of the function, I'm sorry. Going back now to our choices, we see that C is the only choice that works for our answer.